Hello everybody, it's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting page. I wanted to show y'all my thrifting finds, and I also went to Dollar Tree. 10 Commandments on the plate, trimmed in 18 karat gold. I paid $1.99 for that, y'all. It's the tray, the pitcher, sugar and creamer. $15.99, and look at how beautiful that is. I want to do a basket wall in my living room. And so I picked up this. It needs some work, but I think I can clean it up and make it look cute. I loved the color of it though. And I got that for $2.99. I got this. I'm just going to use it as a riser. It looks kind of shabby chic. It's real pretty. It's just a little riser, and it's got like flowers on it. I don't know if y'all can see that. For $1.99. Y'all know how I use the red berries a lot for holiday crafts, like Christmas crafts. I got this whole big thing of red berries for $2.99. I got some more baskets. I got that one. You can see the sides. It's real pretty. I got this one that's very similar to that, but a different shape. And then I got this one. All the baskets were $3.99 at the other place. Wait, no, this one was $2.99, the smaller. And then the other two were $3.99. And y'all look at this. Is this not the sweetest? I love this. And it's like a gallon-sized jar. Well, it says it's 3 liters. But I paid $3.99 for that. Then at Dollar Tree, I got this basket, and I have an idea to make it a really cute Easter basket. We're going to weave some ribbon in and out, and we're going to make it really cute. And I got these little bunny butts. They had blue ribbon out, so I got a couple rolls of that because the patriotic holidays will be here before we know it. I got some of these craft eggs, because if I can ever find the egg wreath forms, I have a craft in mind, but I needed those craft eggs to go with it, so I went ahead and got those when I found them. But aren't those cute, y'all? Look, they're little bunnies, and look at their little ears. Isn't that cute? They had ones with that ear, and then ones with the plaid ears. But aren't they cute? So we'll do a craft with those. I got these. These bandanas are beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. That's what I got at Dollar Tree and with my thrifting this afternoon.